You gotta do like a welcome event step.
You didn't write that.
Okay.
We always say the same thing every time.
Okay, so change it up. Hey-o!
No.
No? Well, everybody, Hollywood has been showing us what artificial intelligence could do for many years now. And most of the time it involves violence or people falling in love with machines.
That's weird.
Well, artificial intelligence is here. It's often referred to as AI. It's not yet as evolved as those Hollywood movies would let you think, but the version that we are seeing a lot of is chatbots, something called ChatGPT. And that is something that allows you to put in any word or phrase, and it actually scours the internet and finds a response and gives you a custom response to your question.
Now, warning, these AI chatbots are pretty darn smart.
Hold on a second. Mom, we're making a video.
What?
Artificial intelligence to your parents.
101.
101. You type in to the screen anything that you're interested in knowing, and it will go through the internet, it'll figure out the best answer, and it will give you an answer. So now,
you don't need mama anymore.
no, I still need mama. We always need mama. What do you have in your fridge often that you leftovers that you throw in the fridge, in the garbage sometimes?
Lettuce,
Okay.
zucchini,
Okay.
meat. So what is it called?
Based on the ingredients you provided, here are a few recipe suggestions. 1, steak salad, zucchini fritters, creamy zucchini soup.
Is it gonna make it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Well, it's not gonna actually make the food.
I wish you would sometimes.
Now, warning, these AI chatbots are pretty darn smart and very well spoken as well. I'm tying the knot in September, and I'm gonna be truthful. I'll definitely be using this chatbot for some suggestions on my thank you notes.
One of the things that these chatbots do really, really well is to make some semblance out of things that generally don't go together. I thought a really cool exercise would be, well, what can we do with the food that we have in our fridge that sometimes we don't know what to do with? It's like that age-old question, like what's for dinner,
Yes.
right? But often the answer is, well, what do we have? So we thought we'd have Mallory go down, speak to a few of our team members, and find out maybe 4 or 5 things that they generally have in their fridge
At all times.
at all times, and then maybe throw in some inspiration on what's something new that they want to cook with.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Strawberries, cucumber, milk, cheese, and yogurt.
Definitely almond milk. I always have strawberries. Tomatoes are a necessity, as well as cucumber. I put Frank's Red Hot sauce on everything, so that's always got to be in the fridge.
Definitely milk and eggs I have in my fridge, berries, lettuce, and bacon.
We'll have milk for cereal, probably some soft drinks, cold cuts of cheese, carrots, stuff like that to munch on.
Different types of fish.
Fish? Okay. Perfect.
I'm gonna go with salmon.
I'd say chicken.
We're a big group of carnivores, so we're
Perfect.
probably, the beef, pork, chicken people.
Hey everyone, this is Derek. I work in the meat department at Vince's Market. I'm also the guy behind the camera for the Vince's at Home videos. Today, I'm going to take this recipe provided by ChatGPT from the 5 ingredients I always have in my fridge and my favorite protein to cook with, which is salmon. I'm going to go with the second recipe, the grilled salmon with cucumber tomato salsa. First, I'll season the salmon with salt and pepper. Unfortunately, I don't have a grill on hand, so I will be cooking the salmon in the oven. I'm going to put it in at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. While the salmon is in the oven, I'm going to start with the cucumber tomato salsa. I'll add the diced tomato, cucumber, red onion, and cilantro to a bowl. Then I'll squeeze half of a lime into it and give it a little mixeroo. By the time that's all done, the salmon should be perfectly cooked. I've decided to serve it on a bed of rice with the salsa delicately sprinkled on top. Now this is a recipe I'll be making again.
Well, today was interesting. We used ChatGPT to generate some recipe ideas and figure out how to use AI
Yeah.
to clear out your fridge. Check out some AI features and see how they can help you kind of find some inspiration and find something new to your kitchen and your fridge, and
Yeah.
that doesn't make any sense.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cool. I
Perfect.
think we just leave that in there.
Yeah.
If you watch the end of this, you think it's funny, let us know. Subscribe and save.